What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Hey, dude. Hey, dude, come here. Gotta get a fist bump. What's up, dudes? We out here at SpeedSF at Sonoma Raceway. You know how it is. It's a little wet out here, but we ain't got nothing to worry about. I think it's gonna do just fine. It's gonna dry up a little bit. We're out here with the Street Sharks. We got the Subaru STI. And we got my S2000 right here. Yeah, you need me? Oh look, a chuck for me. Nice. Alright fellas, time for the driver's meeting. Then we gotta tape up our numbers, tape up my front end, even though I don't really need it in this wet ass weather. Yeah, so we're gonna do the driver meeting right now, and yeah, we got like 40 minutes, and then we got the track time.
Weather changes here shortly. I'm sure everyone that decided to take work off today was hoping for a dry day, which it should dry up here shortly. Quick show of hands, who's first time with SpeedSF? Oh, okay, welcome guys. Thank you for coming out. I hope you have a great time with us today. Hopefully you guys are here tomorrow too. Real quick also, who's first time with Sonoma? Wow, okay. Basically the same group. Alright, well welcome. Sonoma is a very fun track, great heritage, very technical, and I'm going to say it now, please take it easy in the first session or so, especially because of the conditions right now.
So unless you guys have any other questions, I'm going to cut you guys loose. Thank you for bearing with me here as I go through the flags. Remember, back in here for a mandatory cool down after your first session, okay? Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright guys, it's our time to roll. We out here.
Go send it.
First time out on the track, let's fucking get it. Alright guys, first session is done. And my GoPro already fell off, but I got this one still. The one that was on my windshield fell off because I hit the wipers and I didn't check if they were gonna clear before I put it on. So we're gonna put it on something completely different next time I go around. Hopefully I can get it at lunchtime, but stay tuned for the next session. Out, but with all the cars being on the track, it's actually drying up a little bit. As you saw from that last clip, I had way more traction. I dropped my tire pressure a little bit. I had my buddy with me, so I don't know if all that probably plays in effect. But yeah, dude, it's so much fun, and I can already tell myself, like I can already see myself getting better. It's just super fun, and I hope it stays dry. As you can tell, it's a little wet out here, and it's unfortunate, but we're still having a blast. All right, guys, round number 3, and then we got about lunchtime. Alright guys, lunch is almost over. We're gonna go back out for track number 4 in about like 30 minutes. As you guys remember from me saying, I lost my GoPro. Yeah, I lost my GoPro like the first session of the track, and after about 3 hours of being on the track, hella people ran it over, and there was probably like a good 50 yards worth of GoPro parts just chilling, like motherboards, pieces of plastic. Oh my god, it was crazy. But I got the most important part. I found the SD card. That's all I really worried about, so hopefully I can get some footage. Session number 4, guys, stay tuned. Yeah. that was by far my favorite run I've ever done in my S2000, at the track, off the track, and hands down, regardless, it was beautiful. I felt so happy with the car, the new coilovers, the new brakes, tires up wider. I'm still running staggered set, but wider tires, front and rear. Oh, the car feels amazing. Clutch is still a little soft, but it's doing perfect. It's doing just what I need it to do. But we got one more session to go out, and then we're off back to the homeland. So guys, stay tuned. I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. All right, fellas, round number 5. Last round and we're heading home. Alright guys, 5th session is over. Blast, it was a blast. I love it. My car did great. All the new components did amazing. I hope you guys like watching it. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. But for now, we're gonna head back home, pack up all the cars, and just relax and just have a good night. So thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.